Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Um, okay, so we're doing a hairstyle today. Yes, I am still doing hair because I am going to do hair, obviously, because I love doing hair. Okay, so I washed my hair yesterday and used this wash day hack to stretch my hair a little bit. I am applying the Natural Organics Scalp Balm, which helps with my dry scalp and keeps the dandruff away and the itch away. This is a simple hairstyle that I did last year just before going to a YouTube event, and I recorded it so that I can share with you guys how I prep my hair that day. I then apply a bit of the Natural Organics Leave-In Conditioner for some moisture. This is a one-day hairstyle, guys. So at most I can keep it for 3 days, but that's like the maximum. Otherwise, it's a one-day hairstyle. So I don't have to worry about flaking at all. In fact, I don't choose a lot of gel. I only apply on top to slick the hair down and to keep it down. Okay. All right. I use the detangling brush to brush the hair up and then apply Eco Styler gel on top. Guys, I've got an announcement to make. This is my last video, as in a hair video, a long form content hair video on YouTube. I will not be making long form content on YouTube anymore. Why? Because I have done literally everything that I could ever do when it comes to hairstyles that I enjoy doing. I have done all of them. And then I go in with a detangling brush again to push the hair up, where I will tie it into a bun. I make sure I brush thoroughly so that my hair is slicked down perfectly. I tie the hair down with a ponytail holder and then braid it up. And I also want to concentrate my energy, my focus on something else. I will still be doing hair. I still have the Natural Hair Salon in Edenvale, Gauteng, South Africa. I know a lot of you guys have been asking, where are you based? And hoping I'm in the UK or I'm in the States. Well, I'm in South Africa. I'm in Africa and in Gauteng, in Edenvale. So that's where I am. That's where I have my hair salon. So I'll still be doing hair. And also, I've been asked by a lot of you guys to make the natural hair course online. I've been running a natural hair course in person. Like, this is the third year running. But a lot of you guys have asked that I should do it online, and which takes a lot of time to make sure that the content is available online. So that's what I am working on. And I need time to be able to work on that. So that's the reason why I'm also getting off YouTube for now. I'm waiting on the Lord to guide me in what way I should be serving and what I should be doing. But as for now, I'm putting a stop to long form content on YouTube. Yes, I still do hair. I'm still going to create content, but it's going to be in the short form only. So it's going to be on shorts, either on Instagram or here on YouTube. It's going to be on shorts. Okay. I'm going to finish this hairstyle tomorrow because it's already at night. I'm sure you can see with the lighting how it's projecting, and there's no electricity. Now I'm going to be working on this because it comes like this, and I want it to be like this. So I'm gonna have to fluff it out a little bit, and then I'm going to attach that onto my ponytail. This is the next morning, and I'm preparing for a YouTube event, guys. So yeah, I like prepping my hair the night before, even 2 days before. Like the washing, I did it a day before the slicking down, and then now the third day, that's when I am doing the, attaching the hairpiece and the finishing of the hairstyle. That way, I only do the finishing touches the next day, like the actual day of the event. This hairstyle is nice, but it's not for this day. On that day, I was going for a big bold puff, like big bold hair. And I wanted the fierceness of the color to come out as well, like the hair color. So this is what I settled for. Thank you so much for your support, for everything that you've done for my channel. Thank you so much. The comments, most of them are very sweet. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. It has been a nice ride. I got to 100,000 subscribers, which was like my goal for the longest, and which was amazing to reach that milestone. And I'm so glad I did YouTube. I have no regrets. I have gained a lot of experience in so many different areas. I'm an entrepreneur now, and I've created so many relationships, and I'm so grateful for that. So thank you so much for being part of my journey here on YouTube. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Bye.